The ALLWAY aluminum spray shield is a professional-grade tool designed to prevent unwanted paint spray spatter. Made from durable aluminum, it features a 36-inch wide and 9-inch high blade area that can pivot to any angle. The handle conveniently stores within the frame for easy transport and storage. This spray shield is particularly useful when working with various paint sprayers, making it ideal for painting large surfaces such as walls, ceilings, and fences, while also offering protection for furniture and plants from paint overspray. Its innovative clamp design allows for on-the-fly angle adjustment, and it comes with an 18-inch handle included. The Crescent X6 Pass-Thru socket and ratchet system is an innovative tool set that combines the versatility of a pass-through socket with the compact design of a ratchet. This design is particularly well suited for working in confined spaces and on extended threaded rods. The X6 socket stands out due to its unique capability to grip 6 different types of fasteners, including hex, 12-point, partially rounded hex, square, external Torx, and spline. This eliminates the need for multiple sockets and simplifies your tool collection. The X6 ratchet complements the socket with a 5 degrees ratcheting swing arc, enabling easy fastener turning even in tight spaces. It is also up to 50% thinner than regular ratchets, enhancing accessibility. The Purdy Painters Storage Box is a professional-grade storage system tailored for painters. It consists of 2 extra-large boxes that can house paint cans, tools, and supplies, ensuring convenient access during jobs. The vertical brush storage bars maintain brush quality by keeping them organized. The wet brush and roller cover bin allows for the contamination-free transport of used brushes and even fits 18 inches rollers. It's a durable choice with all-terrain wheels, IP65 water and dust resistance, and robust construction, ideal for everyday job site use. This organized solution streamlines work for professional painters, boosting efficiency and convenience. The RL601F multi-purpose mobile phone motherboard repair fixture is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for mobile phone motherboard repairs. Its multi-function positioning system accommodates various chip sizes, CPUs, and motherboards. The universal IC slot and knob-type fixing design ensures secure IC placement without damage. The spindle screw feature allows precise motherboard positioning, crucial for delicate repair work. Additionally, the fixture offers stability with a silicone anti-slip bottom plate and wear-resistant feet. In summary, the RL601F is an essential tool for mobile phone repair technicians, offering versatility, ease of use, and the precision needed for successful repairs. The HIFESON pneumatic rivet nut gun is a heavy-duty tool designed for efficient rivet nut installation in industrial and commercial applications. Powered by compressed air, its self-locking design ensures secure installations. With interchangeable mandrels for various rivet nut sizes and an adjustable speed trigger, users can precisely control the power output. This results in fast and efficient installation, reduced user fatigue, improved productivity, and versatility for various applications. The tool is a valuable addition to tasks in sheet metal fabrication, automotive manufacturing, and construction, where quality and efficiency are paramount. The GRR-RIPPER 1/8 inches leg table saw accessory is an indispensable tool for woodworkers needing precise, thin rip cuts. Designed to attach to the GRR-RIPPER's main body or side leg, it facilitates consistent and accurate 1/8 inches wide cuts, making it essential for various projects, including edge bending, veneer work, inlays, and decorative designs. This accessory greatly enhances safety during thin rip cuts, guiding the workpiece securely through the cut process, and it's easy to clean and maintain. Made in the USA with high-quality materials and backed by a satisfaction guarantee, it's a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. A Model Paint Mixer Mini Stirrer tool is a compact, battery-powered device designed for efficiently mixing model paints. It features a small mixing paddle that, when activated, rapidly stirs the paint inside the bottle, ensuring a consistent blend. These tools are particularly beneficial for acrylic paints, preventing settling and clumping. They are easy to use, lightweight, and work with various model paints, ultimately saving time and effort. Users should avoid overmixing to prevent bubbles and clean the mixing paddle after each use. The Mellif USB adapter for Ryobi 18 volts battery power source is a versatile device that enables the use of DeWalt 20 volts and Milwaukee 18V batteries in Ryobi 18V tools. Additionally, it features a USB port for charging mobile devices during work. This tool offers cost savings by allowing a single battery system for various tools and extends the runtime of lithium-ion batteries on existing 18V power tools. Simply insert the adapter into your Ryobi 18V tool and place a DeWalt or Milwaukee battery in the adapter to power your Ryobi tool. For device charging, connect a USB cable to the adapter's USB port. Tiger Tool Ujoint pullers are heavy-duty professional tools designed to effortlessly remove U-joints from drive shafts. With various models to suit different vehicle types, these durable tools are known for their efficiency and safety, ensuring the U-joint bearing cups are removed without causing damage. Whether used by professional mechanics or DIers, they simplify the process of U-joint removal and are a crucial addition to any automotive toolkit. Safety measures such as wearing protective gear and applying lubricants when necessary are essential to ensure successful and safe usage. The ALLWAY Handy Saw is a versatile cutting tool suitable for a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. It excels in making precise cuts in confined spaces and achieving flush cuts with ease. Featuring a pistol grip handle for control and adjustable blade positions, it offers maximum versatility. The automatic blade fastening eliminates the need for additional hardware. The Handy Saw comes with both metal and wood cutting blades, and specialty blades are available for different materials. This tool is durable, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, allowing them to perform tasks like cutting holes for fixtures, trimming molding, and making various repairs. The Purdy Painters Paale is a professional-grade tool designed to enhance the efficiency and safety of painters. Its innovative features include multiple grip options to reduce hand fatigue, a hands-free ladder hook bail for working safely on ladders, and a built-in roller ramp and rest for easy roller use. The Pail also includes a powerful brush magnet to keep brushes clean when not in use, and is compatible with perfect fit liners for easy cleanup. Made from durable materials, it is available in various sizes to suit different projects. Benefits include increased productivity, reduced hand fatigue, improved safety, and easier cleanup, making it an excellent choice for professional painters. The EasyLean Trowel Support Tool is a handheld tool designed to improve ergonomics and reduce fatigue during tasks like troweling mortar, setting tiles, and spreading adhesives. With a lightweight and durable design, it features a rubberized, non-slip grip and removable rubber feet for floor protection. By resting your non-dominant hand on the tool while working, it reduces strain on your back, arms, and shoulders. This versatile tool is suitable for various flooring and construction tasks, making it ideal for tile installers, flooring contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. Thank you for tuning in to our video showcasing the top tech tools. If you enjoyed it, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more amazing content like this.